This is how to quickly analyze text using AI. This is probably one of the most practical and popular use cases for ChatGPT and other LLMs. Essentially what you're going to do is take the PDF document that you have and just upload it to ChatGPT or another LLM, and it'll analyze the text for you, and you can ask it questions about the text and it will reference anything within that document. To demonstrate this, I'm going to use the PDF version of the story The Odyssey and show you how I can ask ChatGPT questions regarding that PDF. So here I've got ChatGPT open. I'm going to hit the little plus sign here to upload a document. It's located on my computer. So I'm gonna go upload from computer. I'm gonna hit open, and then you'll see it loading here. I'm gonna type in this box, and I'm just gonna basically say, do you recognize the text and what is it? Just as kind of a test to see if ChatGPT can tell me, based on just first glance at the document I'm uploading, what is this document? Okay, so I imported the document, and as we can see, not only did it tell me what it is, but it also gave me a quick summary of it and a breakdown of the key parts of the story. So it's already ahead of the game, giving me a brief overview of what this story is. Now, where this really is interesting is I can ask it specific questions from the text, and it'll give me answers. So for example, I'm going to ask it some questions that might show up on a quiz. So let's start with, who is Odysseus' wife? That's a pretty simple question. Maybe a question you'd see on a quiz about the Odyssey. And let's see what we get back. Okay, so it's saying that it's Penelope, which is correct, and it's giving us a little more information about Odysseus' wife, Penelope. Let's try another one just to see. So we'll say, how many years does Odysseus spend away from home? Okay, here we go. He spends 20 years away from home, and it gives us a little breakdown of what he did during those years. Now let's ask it a little bit of a more advanced question, something you might see on a higher level quiz or test or something like that. So this question is going to be, what is the significance of Odysseus' name Odysseus, which means man of the road? So this is a little bit higher level question that might be asked on a quiz or a test. And as we can see here, we get a very detailed breakdown of exactly what we asked. So we asked it the significance of his name. It's giving us a whole breakdown with different bullet points, 4 different points to make. So overall, it does a pretty good job of breaking this down. So while this feature is probably very popular in English classes for students breaking down stories like this, it's also super helpful for working professionals. When we have a 5-page report that we want to break down into 5 bullet points, ChatGPT and other LLMs can do this very simple yet helpful task.